Great. Good afternoon, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to discuss a program which will print Armstrong number. So, in this video, we are going to discuss what is Armstrong number and how should we write a Java program to find a Armstrong number. Okay. Before that, let us know what is Armstrong number. Armstrong number means the sum of cube of every digit of a number is equal to the number itself. I'll repeat the definition. The sum of cube of every digit of a number is equal to the number itself. For example, let us take 153. Okay. If you take 153, I have to take cube of every digit, like 1, sorry. Yeah, like 1 cube and 5 cube and 3 is there, right? 3 cube. Okay, so if I add the sum of these numbers, I should get the number itself. Okay, I should get 153. That is what Armstrong number is. For example, 1 cube is 1. Okay, 1 cube is 1. Wait a minute. See, 1 cube is 1. And what is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. Plus, and what is 3 cube? 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. If you add these numbers, we get 153. Okay. We get finally output as a 153. So Armstrong number means the sum of cube of every digit of the number is equal to the number itself is called Armstrong number. This is Armstrong number. We are going to write a program to find whether a given number is Armstrong number or not. Okay, so let us start it. So I'm taking a variable here. Int I is equal to int num is equal to 153. Okay, so later I'm going to create another variable which will store the same number. Okay, for example, num1 is equal to num. Okay, because I'm going to because why I had taken another variable with the same value means I am going to cut all the elements. I'm going to divide. I'm going to take off all the elements of this number. Okay, if there is no number in this number, I have to find I have a number which should compare the sum, right? So that is why I have taken a duplicate number. Okay, so I'm going to later I'm going to take int sum is equal to 0 and int ld. Okay, we must take ld is nothing but last digit. Okay, so I have initialized it with null. So I'm going to start a while loop. In while loop I'm going to give a condition num is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition I have given in while loop. In while loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract last digit. Okay, how do you extract last digit? Modulus 10. Okay, num modulus 10. When we use this statement, we will get last digit of the number. Okay, so ld is equal to num modulus 10. Okay, this statement gives last digit of the number. What is last digit of 153? 3. Okay, after taking it I am going to add it in sum. Okay, sum plus here I am going to do an operation ld into ld into ld. Okay, if you can observe, I told that the sum of cube of every number, I am going to extract every number and I am going to cube it. I am going to multiply it 3 times and I am going to add it in sum. Okay, sorry, some okay, yeah, so I'm going to add it in sum. Okay, this is the operation. Later on I'm going to take all the numbers from that number one by one. I'm going to decrement it. Okay, so this is what happens later on in the while loop gets ended. So I'm going to do num1 is equal to sum. Okay, this is the if condition. If this condition is true, I want to print number is perfect, number is Armstrong number. Okay, so num1 is a, let me give some space here, is a Armstrong number. the condition. So later on I'm going to use else condition. Okay, in else condition I'm going to say the number is not a prime, the number is not Armstrong number. Okay, num1 is not a Armstrong number. Okay, so if I run the program, I'm going to get output as 153 is a Armstrong number. Okay, see, 153 is a Armstrong number. If I try to change the number, for example 785, okay, output will be 785 is not Armstrong number. Okay, so this is how you write Armstrong number program. So let us trace it in very less time. Okay, 153. So here I have given a condition. Okay, 153, sorry, 153 is not equal to 0. This is the condition that I have given initially. Okay, later on what I am doing here, I am checking that LD is equal to num modulus 10. Num is 153, modulus 10 means I'll get last number. Okay, what is the last number? I'll get 3. Okay, so in this what I'm going to do, I'm just multiplying it 3 times. 3 into 3, sorry, okay, 3 into 3. What is 3 into 3 into 3? 3 into 3 is 27. Okay, that 27 will be stored in sum. Okay, and what is next line? What is next line is, okay, so num is equal to num by 10. 153 is equal to 153 by 10. When I make, sorry, okay, so in this slide, so 153 is equal to 153 by 10, and this gives output as 15. Okay, so now num value becomes 15. Okay, what is some value? 27. Let us trace it. Okay, so what is num value now? 15 not equal to 0. It is true. Okay, so we will, while loop gets executed, what is there here? Okay, so what is num value? Num value is 15 modulus 10. Okay, this operation gives results as 5. Okay, so 15 mod 10 is equal to 5. Okay, so here I am going to multiply 5 for 3 times. Okay, what is 5 into 5 into 5? 125. 27 is already there. Sum is equal to 27 plus 125. It becomes 152. Okay, so later on what is the condition? Okay, num is equal to num by 10. Okay, what is num value? Num value is 15. 15 is equal to 15 by 10. Okay, it becomes 1. Okay, so value becomes 1. So 15 by 10 is equal to 1. Okay, so I'm going to store num value as 1. Okay, num value now is 1. Okay, so some value is 152. Okay, let us check here. Okay, so 1 not equal to 0. Okay, true. Okay, so when it is true, LD is equal to num 1, sorry, 1 modulus 10 is equal to 1. Okay, it is 1. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to multiply 1 for 3 times. 1. Okay, it becomes 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into anything is equal to 1. Okay, so 152 plus 1 is 153. Okay, so now coming to the next line, num is equal to num by 10. What is num value? 1. 1 is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, which is 0. Okay, so num value becomes 0. Okay, num value becomes 0. Okay, 0 not equal to 0. Okay, which is false. Okay, while loop gets stopped. Okay, now I am taking num1 value. Num1 contains the value of num, which is 153. 153 is equal to sum. Sum is 153. So we get output as 153 is a strong number. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understood the program. Make practice of it. It will be asked in the interview many times. Okay, thank you.